Hi guys, we're just going to do a demonstration on the Yale Platinum and Superior pick in the GJ range. This one obviously, as already sort of said, it will do the Yale Superior cylinders, the 1-star, and which is also the Magnum included, and it will do the 3-star, the Platinum. So you only need the one tool to do the whole range of cylinders rather than two. So we're going to hopefully do a live opening this one out of the packet to show, you know, that none of these has been staged. We're not using a cylinder, that we know the bittings, that it hasn't been tampered with. So we're going to do that live and hopefully show you guys the tool in action. So we're going to use, we've got our wafer slider tool, we've got our main picking tool for doing the dimples, and then we've got our tensioning bar for when we're working on the sliders. Okay, so as you can see, this is still on camera, still sealed. Okay. Okay, and we're going to do the exterior side. So this isn't a tutorial, it's just going to be a demo. So we just need to pick all the pins and then we'll go in and tackle the sliders, the wafers. And if anyone's interested in seeing the tool, if you see us at the expo that's coming up in Nottingham, you'll be able to have a go yourselves. I'm just going to test if any of the sliders need moving. And the feedback through this tool is really good, so picking the pins, the dimples side of the lock is a lot easier using this tool. we've had a bit of a kick on the cylinder now. So now it seems, there we go guys. Okay, so it was live on video, a 3-star cylinder, exterior side, brand new out the packet. So the tool does exactly what it says, no gimmicks, no knowing the cylinder combination beforehand. So cheers guys. Actually what we'll do while we're on camera, we'll do a second one. Okay, again. Okay, so no prior knowledge to the feeling of this cylinder or anything. I'll keep it in view of the camera. Again, we've got a fun turn this time. Okay. So again, it's just going to be a tutorial. We're not going to explain what we're doing. But if you want to know more, if you come and visit us at the show or through the other means of the GJ pages, website. And we've had the kick. There we go. Okay, it's not picking up the fun turn, the cam at the minute, because obviously for the purpose of the video I've moved it out of the way of the jaws, but typically that would have picked up the cam by now and we would have done a full revolution and had the lock open. So there you go guys, 2 3-star brand spanking new cylinders out of the packet, open. So that's the GJ Yale Superior and Platinum pick. So again, one tool does it all. Cheers guys.